let us now see about the prerequisites of taking this course. So the takers of this course need not to have any experience or prior knowledge on Microsoft Fabric. You will learn everything from scratch here. Since this is a tool that is relatively new in the market, you will learn what you need from very scratch, starting from understanding what exactly is Microsoft Fabric, why it is needed, what problem is it actually solving, and what made it as a most demanding tool in the market, where companies tend to migrate all the existing systems to Microsoft Fabric now. One more prerequisite for taking this course is you might need to have an Azure account to perform some hands-on practicals, because we will be making use of few services in Azure like Storage Account. To understand how exactly you can take the data from other cloud providers to Microsoft Fabric, we also need to create Azure Synapse Analytics Service so that we can migrate the data, which is present in Synapse, Microsoft Fabric, and also in the end-to-end project. We will be taking the data from Azure Data Lake Storage, so that you would need to have an Azure account to perform the practicals along with me. Also, you would need some basic knowledge on Python or PySpark and SQL or Spark SQL, because we will be making use of PySpark and Spark SQL to complete the end-to-end course by applying few transformations, so that you would be beneficial if you have some basics and tactical understanding on Python or PySpark to complete this course end-to-end. Also, you would be greatly benefited if you have some basic knowledge on Azure Cloud, since we will be making use of subscriptions and creating some users to perform some real-time simulation while in the access control section. So you would be greatly benefited if you have some basic understanding on Azure Cloud. But this is not mandatory. We are going to do everything practically whatever you are needed to perform in the Azure Cloud.